Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Fayola. For Christmas I went ahead and bought myself a ring light, so now you can hopefully see me clearer than ever. It is 2019 and I washed my hair on the 24th of December, so on Christmas Eve. So today is going to be my first wash day of the year. The first thing I'm going to do is just brush through it, and I brush from tip to root, and this just means that I'll have less shedding in the shower. So today I am going to be trying out a new shampoo and conditioner duo. These are by OGX. I have used some of their other shampoos and conditioners before and I really like the brand. I'm not sure about this one specifically, but we'll find out. I use quite a generous amount of shampoo. I just apply that to the roots of my hair. Use my fingertips to really massage the roots. And then I move onto the tips. I usually use a bit more shampoo. I'll just massage this through the ends. Then I condition my hair. Again, I use a lot of product. So I really took my time then in the shower. I fully exfoliated my face, all of that kind of stuff, and I've got my hair wrapped in a plastic wrap. So I was in the shower then for like 10 minutes or something like that, and I'll probably give it another 10 minutes whilst I just sit here. I might do a face mask or something like that, just to really let the conditioner sink in to my hair. So I'm using regular conditioner, but I'm deep conditioning my hair with it. So this is one of my favourite sheet masks. It's the Garnier Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask and it's a 15-minute mask, so perfect. I'm going to go ahead and put this sheet mask on, so as well as having lovely fresh hair by the end of this video, I will also have fresh lovely skin. Literally, I've got the tail end of a cough at the moment and I had a bit of a cold. My skin was looking really crazy. Now I feel like it looks so much better. My hair is soaking wet, and when I went in to get that shampoo and conditioner that I've used today, I really needed to pick up a bottle of this Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioning Spray. I've been using this for years now. I absolutely forgot. I've got the tiniest amount, so I'm just gonna try and angle it. I had a little dig around in my drawer and I found some of this Aussie Pure Locks spray. I'm going to use a bit of this as well. This is the Nourishing and Protecting Spray. I guess it's quite similar to that other spray, and of course I have loads of this, so it smells nice too. So as usual, I'm going to be using my blow dryer. I'll put the link to one similar to this in the bio down below. I am going to be using it on medium heat and full speed, and I might click up to full heat at some point, just if it's taking quite a long time to dry. But I did kind of roughly squeeze out my hair. I always kind of do that beforehand. I don't really rough it up with the towel or anything like that, but I just squeeze out the excess water, and usually that does the trick. So that is my hair fully blow dried, and you can see compared to the beginning, that it is like really, really nice and clean now. So all of that kind of residue and stuff that was in my hair is fully clean. My scalp also is looking really good. Sometimes, well, I would used to find that I would wash my hair and within, as soon as I dried it, I could still see that I had like dry scalp. So it wasn't that I hadn't washed it off, it was that I actually had kind of I had dry skin on my scalp basically, and so it doesn't matter if you've just washed your hair and it's really clean, that is something that is like an underlying thing that you have to deal with. So if you do find that you're washing your hair and then like a day later it seems like there's flakes or it's dirty, like it's completely normal. You just have a dry scalp and you just have to deal with that. It could be because of different products you're using that are drying out your scalp, or the weather, or anything really. But if you do have that problem, I would really recommend using an oil on your hair before you wash it. So to kind of base your whole scalp in an oil like jojoba oil or almond oil or coconut oil or something like that. Let that sink in for about an hour or even for longer, and then do your normal wash day process, and then that will really kind of deep condition your scalp and kind of moisturize your scalp more deeply than if you just apply an oil after washing your hair, because some people like to grease their scalp. It just really depends on you. I don't like the feeling of too much grease in my hair, so that's why I would really recommend to do that beforehand. Now, after like washing and blow drying my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it just in the normal way that I always do. So I just have this last section left to do. So I've pinned it up and I've got down some hair, got my straighteners on. I'll just run these through from root to tip. I kind of do about two passes. Really make sure I get those roots. You can see, I think the main thing is that my ends are really thick and full, and obviously I had these bits cut around my face. See here, and this side too. And this is my bra strap. So my hair is just coming past bra strap length to the back there. So it's looking really good. And I think in comparison to last year, my hair has just thickened out quite a bit. And so to kind of show you the thickness, it's kind of thickened out quite a bit, and it's just feeling quite healthy. Obviously now it is all fully brown, and I've been able to resist colouring it or doing any of those things that I know are going to be really damaging. In terms of my edges, my hair is actually, not that I've always been quite insecure about my hairline. I've got like quite a wavy hairline and a bit of a widow's peak, which I wasn't a real fan of when I was younger, although now I've grown to, I wouldn't say grow to love it, but I know that it's normal, whereas before I thought it was really unusual and that's why I didn't like it. But it's normal for everybody to have different hairline and all of that kind of stuff, and I'm blessed that I don't have a receding hairline or any of those things that I could be even more insecure about. So but my hair, I've spoken before about like breakage around the front. Obviously you can see, especially on this side, there isn't breakage. Like these hairs are really quite long. There is a bit of breakage, I would say like where I wear my part-ins usually, maybe, but these bits here are all looking really good. I think here this bit looks a little bit shorter, but I think I've done, I don't know if I went through and looked at my breakage in January last year, but I definitely know that at one point I was having some breakage round the front, but now it's looking really good, so that's all good too. Thank you for watching. I will be back with some hair tutorials in 2019. Please let me know what else you want to see in 2019. I'm really looking forward to it. Now I've got my ring light, I'm also looking forward to making more content that just looks a bit better, hopefully. So let me know how this video has been for you, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.